Sealless magnetic drive pump. Sealless design brings leakage-free and easy maintenance. High-quality material brings better corrosion resistance and highly durable. Patent design come with superior performance and lightweight feature. Material. Materials of GFRPP and CFRETFE are available for selection. All materials are raw and pure for better corrosion resistance. Front casing. Removable flange design is for easy pipeline connection. Rear casing. Special structure design of no extra metal supporter is to provide better pressure resistance and durability. Universal flange. Universal flange design for 3 specific types of piping connections, which are ANSI, Gs, and DIN. Shaft supporter. One-piece shaft supporter injection is to reduce operating vibration which may cause fall-offs. Anti-Vortex. Anti-Vortex design for rear casing is to prevent abrasion caused by impurity substances. Impeller. One-piece design of impeller is to increase stability of the operation. Bearing. Patented special flow channel design is to prevent crystallization when temperature changes in operation. Baseplate. Polypropylene material provides excellent corrosion resistance and is light-weighted.